Hello. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use dry shampoo. So a few months ago, I had a client tell me that I should do a video like this, and I was like, really? Like, you need a how to use dry shampoo video? Like, isn't it pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy? And I'd say for quite a while, I'd been using more luxury brand dry shampoos like the Oribe or Shuamura or Kerastase, while she'd been using Batiste. Now, this is actually legit my favorite dry shampoo. It's been my favorite for years and years, but you know, being in the salon, I'd gravitated more towards the luxury brands in most recent years. So I get my can of Batiste, and it's time to use it. And I guess you can't tell as much now that my hair is blonder, but I find a darker spot. Okay. When my hair was darker, you could see it a lot more. But I end up with this like crazy white powdery spot. And I'm like, oh, this is what she meant. So, first of all, I'll tell you what you should be doing. Especially if you're using something more heavy duty like Batiste. You don't really want to spray it so close. You want to give a little space. Give little spurts. And if you do get too much in, like this little spot here, rub it in with your fingers. And really, this is a good thing to do anytime you're using dry shampoo because it helps move it around and helps the dry shampoo absorb the oil. My hair's clean right now, so it's not going to be a big like transformation of my hair. You can also take your blow dryer on low speed, and that just helps work it around and helps get rid of that like extra powderiness. So that's my how to use dry shampoo tutorial video. It's obviously really great for bangs. You can use it all over your hair. I tend to just use it through the top, you know, maybe if my hair is really bad, like around my face. But I don't really see the need to use it throughout, especially if you've got your extensions in. Actually, if you're wearing Natural Beauty Rose extensions, do not spray it on your extensions because that hair is already dry. It's not getting oils from your scalp, and I'd venture to say for the most part, if you are adding oil or moisture, you're probably adding it from like here down so that you don't make your own hair super greasy. So if you're getting dry shampoo like in the extensions, it's just gonna dry it out more, which is gonna cause more tangling, and it's just, you know, not gonna be the best for the hair extensions. So if you do have NBR in, keep your dry shampoo just out of the extensions, keep it through the top. You know, if you need to put some underneath because you real nasty, you know, that's fine. You know, again, it's not gonna destroy the extensions if you get the dry shampoo on them, but it'll just, it'll be better for the feeling and longevity of your hair if you keep the dry shampoo off of it. So that's what I've got for now. If you need more clarification or have any other questions about how to use dry shampoo or any other products, let me know.